In this video, I will show how to insert or generate list of abbreviations or acronyms in Microsoft Word. So click on References, then mark Entry. Now select any text or sentence and if you have the sentence, so paste here last text. Select current page, then mark Exit. Similarly, select another one, mark Entry. Select the last part of this sentence, paste here. Select current page and mark. So this is the dummy data. You can create actual, mark entry and select any last text and paste here. Now close it. In the Home tab, unselect this mark symbol. In the last page, insert references, and click on Insert Index. Here you can select number of column like 1 or 2. Select here right align page numbers. Here you can select any template like modern. Then click on OK. You can change style. So this is the way, guys, you can insert or generate list of abbreviations in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.